Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Serena, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Nash wallet. So Nash was also previously known as NEX for those of you who are familiar with that. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to nash.io, and at the top where it says products, just hover over that and click on extension. Next you want to click on try alpha, and it's going to ask you to add it to Chrome, so click on that and make sure that you're using Chrome. Add extension. It's going to ask you to turn on sync if you want. I just ignore that for now. So once you've added it to Chrome, you'll see beside the MetaMask logo that there's the Nash logo. So you just want to click on that, and it's going to ask you to create an account. I don't know why it's not showing up here for you guys, but I can always just put a picture in later. Anyways, before you actually create your account, you want to make sure that you disconnect yourself from any internet connections. Once you're disconnected from the internet, then you can make an account. So once you've entered in a username and password, make sure to write them down, because it says here that both the username and password are not recoverable and you will lose your funds without them. So please write them down and store them in a safe place. You will also need to store the account backup code we will generate for you later in the process. And then, click on create an account. Then it's going to ask you to select a color and a unique word. When you're done that, you want to click on continue to wallet selection. And then you want to click on create new wallet. And it's going to ask you to confirm your password again. Then you want to click on create new wallet again. Then it's going to show you your username, password, everything here, address, encrypted key, account backup code. So you want to make sure that you save those things on this page here. You're going to need them if you lose anything. So save all those things. There's an option for you to copy it, download the file, whatever. So once you've done that, click on I have saved this information and click on continue. Okay, now you want to enter the last 5 characters of your account backup code and click on submit. Okay, so now you have your wallet made. So before you send anything to yourself, it's always a good idea to send yourself a small amount first, just to make sure before you send all of your tokens to the wallet. I do that with all of my wallets and everything, just to make sure. So now that you have your wallet, you're going to have to wait to buy some NEX. The full exchange will be going live to community members only on March 31st before it goes live to the public. So if you guys want to have access to that, I will give you my referral code and you can use it to sign up. So Nash is having a referral program giveaway where they're giving away $100,000 worth of Bitcoin and 46,000 NEX tokens. So I'll leave my link down below if you guys want to sign up for that. And the giveaway ends on June 17th. So sign up for that, and you also have to have a minimum of $25 in your wallet so that you can be eligible to win, because they don't want to have any fraud or whatever going on. So you have to have at least 25 bucks in your account. That's pretty much all for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.